In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Lego Voyagers on PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it, and quickly search up the game Lego Voyagers. Then select the game. After that, scroll a little bit down and you will find out we can download this game for €22.49 on Steam, but don't worry, we have a workaround. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Lego Voyagers, and select the game. After that, search for it, select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now there are a couple of things you need to watch for. It needs to be a PC version and this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. After that, select the game and then you will open the game page, and as you can see we can already download this game for €14.35 compared to the Steam price of €22.49. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!